Today in the kitchen we have beautiful and easy coffee face masks for naturally radiant skin at home. So these coffee face masks are a classic for bringing life into tired and dull skin and tired complexions, while the mask will remind you maybe of, if you drink coffee, of your cup of coffee and like waking up. It's actually these are really good masks for all skin type. Coffee is rich, like a good coffee is rich with antioxidants for the skin, and it's stimulate more blood circulation. It wakes the skin up, which create more more like the smoothness and the glow that we all want. And it's also really good in scrubbing, but today we are talking about masks. So let's go to work. The first mask is a coffee with vegan milk. I personally like to use coconut milk, organic, because it's good. Coconut milk has a lot of hydration benefits for the skin, almonds can be good as well. Again, make sure it's like a raw one and not with 7,000 additives. Okay, so we take, wait a second, 3 spoons of ground coffee. I'll show you in a second. Just gonna pour it in. 2 or 3, depends on how much you want to make. That's a ground coffee. It's organic and it's the pure I could find. We add 2 raw vegan milk, 2 spoons raw vegan milk to the bowl, sorry. Then I'm gonna add virgin olive oil, a little bit, like 1 spoon. So it's get a bit more, I don't know, thick, you can say. Already smells good. And we're just gonna stir it together. Now, if you see that it's too liquidy, you can add more coffee, you can add more oil, whatever you feel like. You're gonna apply it on your face. You're gonna rest for like 30 minutes. You're gonna wash it with warm water, and if you do a splash of cold water, it will close your pores. So that was one. The second one is with turmeric and yogurt, and I have a link, a blog about turmeric benefits for your skin. So we take again 3 tablespoons of fresh coffee. There you go. You cannot see that here, okay. And we take 2 tablespoons of turmeric. You can either use a fresh root and green it and put it, or if you don't have, then a powder. We add again olive oil, 1 spoon, and we add 3 tablespoons of, again, vegan yogurt. I use here again coconut because it's rich. You can use almonds as well. So here goes my yogurt, and we're gonna mix it up. This one is a bit thicker than the first one, and has a different color, obviously, because of the turmeric and the yogurt. Apply it on a clean face for 20 to 30 minutes. Wash with water, and again, if you like, splash cold water to close the pores. And the last one for today is with honey and yogurt. So we take again the coffee, ground coffee, we add a little bit of oil, as before, olive oil. We add 2 tablespoons of honey, organic honey, raw one if you can. and the yogurt. So 2 tablespoons of the yogurt, and mix it together. This one is much thicker than the first and the second, and it's also more kind of scrubby feeling. So you can massage it on clean face to have this scrub effect, and then let it sit for another 20 minutes while you enjoy the smell. It's honey and coffee, it's nice. And then again, wash with water, a little bit like not too hot, a little bit warm because it's more sticky, and add a splash of cold water, and voila, radiant skin.